In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate a QR code in Affinity without using any online tool. So, the first thing you need to do is make sure vector mode is selected. Head over to the toolbar, click the little arrow on the shape tool, and from the drop-down, select QR code tool. Once the QR code tool is selected, hold and drag to draw your shape. Just make sure the width and height are equal. For adding color to the shape, simply choose any color you like from color wheel, but black is usually the best choice for QR codes. To add information to the QR code, select the shape, then look at the top and click on Data section. Simply type in the URL you want to link to, and QR code will change instantly to match your data. You also have more options for this. Your QR code information can be a URL, text, phone number, SMS, and more. Just choose the option that provides the information you want people to access when they scan your QR code. After adding your data, hit OK, and your QR code is ready. So, that's how you can create a QR code in Affinity. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.